Hello there. In this tutorial, we are going to see how student will get the access to the paid courses. The first option student has is to buy the program. They can click on any of the course and get the course by making the payment. While making the payment, they will register themselves and create a username password, which they can use while logging in with the platform. Second method is to provide the manual access. If student has paid you by some other ways, you can also give an access manually. For that, go to your website, and first thing you need to do is to log in as an admin. Then enter into your dashboard. Now go to the courses. Here you would see the list of all the courses registered on your website. Let's say you want to give access to Cambridge books. Click on Manage Students. And here you can add the email ID of the user. Now click Add Student, enter the student email ID, and send an invitation. Student will get the username and password to access this course. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below or send us the support ticket. Thank you for watching.